Hey all, Carpetbagger here, coming to you live from the south, more specifically Sevierville, Tennessee. And I'm outside a former attraction here. You get a lot of new attractions here in Pigeon Forge, a lot of experimental attractions, like such things as, you know, what would happen if we made a cafe and themed it around NASCAR. And here we have the NASCAR Cafe, a former attraction that is set to be bulldozed. But the thing is, all the stuff's still in there, and they're going to be having an auction to auction off some of these amazing NASCAR relics. And I want to take a peek in there. Now, be warned, I don't know much about NASCAR. I know that they take cars, they race them, and the fastest car, I think, is the winner. I'm pretty sure. See, most of what I know about NASCAR I got from watching Talladega Nights. So you can see the building itself built like a racetrack. So let's head in and see what is still in the NASCAR Cafe. Follow me. Here they have NASCAR Winston Cup champs. Almost got like a walk of fame. Heard that name, Jeff Gordon. I know he's famous. Oh, this guy too, Dale Earnhardt. I've heard of him. The best times win. Look, this gives some perspective when it was closed. I guess it's been closed since 2006. That seems quite some time. Actually, kind of, there's an oil smell in here, like a real racetrack. You can see real NASCAR cars up there on that makeshift raceway. Guess we can just wander around into the kitchen. Wonder what sort of food they served here at the good old NASCAR Cafe. Here's the old medicine dispenser. All that's left, just one little pack of antacid. These are the administrative offices where all the really serious stuff takes place. Ooh, look at all these keys. Wonder if maybe I could just bid on some of them. Apparently they had a no harassing celebrities policy. Don't ask celebrities for autographs. They're just trying to eat a hamburger. Don't tell anyone. We're going to just take a quick peek inside the safe that's already been busted. Actually looks like they have a little bit of a museum section up here, but I think I know what I'm going to bid on. Check out this VR racing simulator. Number 147. That's cool. And here's how you operate a NASCAR simulator. Emergency stop, load, start, and stop. I guess this is some sort of car engine. Look at all these delicious antique Cokes. Look at that. Cornflakes. See, what I really needed is to buy some of these trophies. I think that would de facto make me a racing champion.
Storage. This pops open and there's storage for $3.
There you go. I wonder how much these actual race cars are going to be going for. See what kind of NASCAR treats they have left in the old fridge. Nothing left.
Hey, do you want fries with that shake?
I think this restaurant's been closed for 10 years. What are you even doing back here?
I don't know.
Ooh, they have a salad dryer. I always hate when you go to a place and the salad is all wet and gross. Yeah, look at the cutting boards. When they sit around, they grow little cultures on them. Oh, you find yourself a checkered flag. Good job.
Is this what Charlie Sheen meant by winning?
Yes. Oh, the old ice cream machine from Soft Serve. Here's an actual menu. See some of the themed items. Nothing better than the good old collision chicken. Looks like this is the bar. Got some helmets. There's a picture of Reagan. I don't think that's Nancy with him. I think that's some sort of country singing lady. There's Neil Bonnet's steering wheel. It's not turned though, so you can't, you know, play with it. I guess to get a good view of the cafe, you gotta use this starter stand, as I was told it's called. All right, here we go. Good view of the whole Nascar cafe. This thing is not as stable as I was hoping, but still pretty cool to see cars racing along the wall while you eat your collision chicken. Got some autographs here on the tile, and a lot of them are race car drivers, but there are some other pretty cool signatures as well. There's Lee Greenwood right here. God bless the USA. And then Billy Ray Cyrus on the wall right here. 1999. I wonder how old Miley would have been. Looks like this is some sort of big countdown clock right there. Yeah, I guess this room here functions like a garage. It's almost like a themed garage. Not sure. I guess it's just another dining area. So we are in the final days of the legendary Nascar Cafe here in Sevierville, Tennessee. Also, Sevierville Pigeon Forge area. After all these wonderful artifacts are sold off, the building will be bulldozed, and who knows what will replace the Nascar Cafe. Here in Pigeon Forge, things are always being demolished, replaced. There's no telling. But I do appreciate you guys watching. Please like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. If you'd like to see other places I visited, check down in the description. There is an interactive map. If you'd like to contribute to the channel, there's t-shirt shop down there, as well as a Patreon, where if you give a donation of at least $3 a month, I will send out postcards. But for now, here at the Nascar Cafe, this one's in the bag.